globe is definitely shrinking. A French artist, Layla Metssitane of Moroccan origin, presented a play at Française de Karachi about a character from Kobé-born Belgian writer Amélie Nothon's international bestseller Fear and Trembling, set in Japan, translated from French. By means of a monologue, the artist efficiently takes the ladies and gentlemen in the audience to the oriental setting in Japan. The way girls are taught to conduct themselves throughout their lives is narrated. According to ancient Japanese protocol, terror and self-abasement conveyed respect. Heroine is an eager, young Western girl, Amelie, who goes to Japan to spend a year working at Yumimoto Corporation. Though she is treated by her male executives poorly, she has a good understanding with her immediate supervisor, the awe-inspiring Miss Fubuki Mori. No one who is not Japanese can navigate through the protocols of its corporate culture. Amelie-san is assigned meaningless tasks of delivering mail, photocopying an executive's golf club bylaws, and finally cleaning toilets.
My parents are from Morocco, from Casablanca, and I adapted a novel about Amélie Nothon. It's a Belgian author. The title in French is Fear and Trembling, and in English it's Fear and Trembling. And tonight is the first show for my touring show in Pakistan. When my grandmother was preparing herself for a wedding, for the makeup, like that, I just watched her when I was a child. I just finished in Los Angeles, and in June I'm going to Chile. But my global touring show is in 27 or 29 countries. I learned in Paris with different drama school. One is in l'École Nationale de Chaillot. I can have many identities. I can to explain myself and at the same time to try to build some bridges with different people in different culture in the world. And it's a great pleasure for me to travel with my work.